Hi everyone! So I purchased a new yoga mat recently and this was part of the packaging. Since it's a nice piece of craft paper, I didn't want to waste it, so today I'm gonna show you how to turn this into a cute little craft envelope that looks something like this. I made it in such a size that you can conveniently slot it into your diary, which for my case is a traveler's notebook. So let's get started. First, I'll outline my envelope profile, which is 8.5 centimeters width by 12 centimeters height. For the top cover, I made it 2.5 centimeters height, and I also allowed 1.5 centimeters on both sides, which will form the side flaps to close off the envelope. After marking all the dimensions, just join the dots. Then, cut the whole piece out and cut the two 1.5 centimeter sides to form the side flaps. Fold it bottom up and you'll see that the top sides are not needed, so I'm just gonna cut them off. Now just close off the sides as well as the top and you should get something like this. Then just tape the sides to secure the shape of your envelope. I'm not liking the top hanging like that, so I'm just gonna make a seal for it. Just take a bit that was cut off earlier, align it with the center of the envelope, and make a gentle cut for it to slot in. Be really gentle here, alright? You don't want to be cutting through. Then just slot in the seal, put a bit of glue or tape to secure it to the cover. And there you go. I'm just gonna use my trusty washi tape here to further secure the seal. At this point of time, you should have something that looks like this. Now the fun part, decorations. Just pick out your favorite rubber stamps, stickers, markers, whichever you like to use, and let your creativity flow. I'm using here some MU Craft splice stamps, some stamp pads, and acrylic block, of course, for my rubber stamps, and of course my all-time favorite MU Craft print-on stickers. I start off by creating the envelope seal pattern in the center. If you have an actual envelope seal that looks like that, go ahead and use it, but because I don't, so I'm only gonna use this pattern. Always remember to clean your rubber stamps before stamping another pattern, yeah? One of the reasons I like using these rubber stamps is because I get to see the placement clearly before stamping on. So I reduce mistakes in a way. You can always mix and match your stamp pads like what I'm doing here to create a gradient effect. If you're stamping near an edge, be sure to place a piece of scrap paper below to prevent dirtying your table. Some rubber stamps can be really soft, so you want to make sure you align them well on your acrylic block before stamping on. See how convenient these splice stamps are? You can just move them around everywhere so easily, effortlessly before stamping on. Now time for MU Craft print on stickers. As you can see, I'm just moving the stickers around, deciding which one to use. Once I've decided on the pattern that I want, I just simply cut it out. Confirm your placement. Remove the bottom foam. And just print the pattern on using a popsicle stick. There you go, nice and seamless. I really love print on stickers. Just to highlight this nice quote, I'm gonna use this bracket stamp here on both sides. Now for the final handwritten touch, and we are done. Ta-da! I really love how it turned out, and let's see how it looks like in my notebook. Yup, it's a perfect fit on either side of the spread. So you can use this little envelope to put in anything like loose paper sheets or maybe Polaroid photos, and bring it any way you go with your notebook. Yup, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!